Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chamet and signing in. This gets you to the profile area fast. Once in, navigate to Profile and select Wallet so you can begin setup immediately. Make sure you verified your phone or email first, since Chamet often requires that step before wallet creation. Keep your ID or payment method handy because some features prompt verification later. This saves time and prevents interruptions, and it ensures you can complete the process without redoing earlier steps. Now you fill in wallet details. Pick a display name and preferred currency so amounts look familiar. Once done, choose a secure wallet PIN. 6 digits is a good balance of security and memorability, and confirm it. Next, link a payment method such as a card or a supported mobile payment. Chamet will prompt for card info and billing address if required. Make sure two-step verification is enabled for transactions, and verify your contact details so you can recover access if needed. Finish by reviewing the terms and completing any KYC steps Chamet requests. Then tap Create Wallet or Confirm to finalize. Once created, make a small deposit or send a tiny amount to a trusted contact to verify everything works as expected. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache and retry the verification flow. Make sure your documents are legible. If problems persist, contact Chamet support and include screenshots and exact error messages so they can resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.